What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investing and Trading with Jax. Got the fresh cut, skin fade, trim the beard. Rocking my crypto.com t-shirt. Oh yeah. We're gonna go over Gala games. We're in a juicy trade. Just hit our TP2. Little long trade on 15x. Sitting at 0.05792. Up 0.7 on the day. Market cap 1.76 billion. 24-hour volume 113 million. Quickly plug my signals here. Here's last week results. 18 wins, 1 loss. Total profit 1,155%. You can gain completely free access to my trade signals at the end of the video. So first things first, 4-hour chart. If we close the 4-hour candle strong, we have what's called three white soldiers, which is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern signifying that we have bullish strength. So do watch for that 4-hour close. Now if we pop over to the 1-hour time frame, so far we have 3 waves up off the low. So if we can create a wave 4 pullback, push up, and a wave 5, that would be your first signal of a bullish impulse off the low, and that this could potentially be the bottom for Gala. We have nice bullish divergences. If we fail to create a 5-wave move, we roll over, then I would expect a lower low before bouncing, but it's looking decent. We're having a nice little start off to the trend. Let me pop over another chart here. So here's the daily chart. We're just bouncing off that support 0.055. Quickly want to pop open my 20 EMA, my 55 EMA. We can take a look at that. Yeah, so we are, what the? Come on, bro. I have US plugs or Canadian plugs, and I live in South Africa most of the time, and they obviously use a different outlet, different holes, so it doesn't always stay in. Yeah, bother. All right, so yeah, weekly chart. I've been talking to you guys on the weekly about printing the bullish cross. We've already done it on other charts. This is Bybit here, but we've done it already on Kraken. And just consolidating. Let me see if I can find that chart quickly on the weekly. Just bear with me while I open every single one of my Gala charts. There we go. Yeah, so we are still holding. See, there's a bullish cross. This is on Kraken. We are still barely holding that support of the bull pennant. So if we bounce from here, that'll be a little bear trap to the downside. My laptop's gonna die if I don't give it some power. And that would be a bear trap to the downside and could lead to a big, large, juicy breakout. And the target for that, measure your flagpole to the top of the pennant, take it to your point of breakout. If it breaks out to the upside, that could take our friend Gala all the way up to 13 cents. Of course, that will take time, but our target zone, yeah, Gala's looking good right now. I'm gonna go up and hit my TP3, which is always exciting. And yeah, so if we look at the 4-hour chart, our target zone for that next wave to the upside, if we can get back above those 4-hour EMAs, is all the way up here, having some massive leg in between 0.09183 and 0.10. So look for those 5 waves off the low. That's your first indication. I am scalping on higher leverage when I see the opportunities. We're doing really well with that. With cryptocurrency, if you want completely free access to my signals, all you have to do is sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. Check out my full-length tutorial pinned at the very end of the video. 10% back on your fees. Make your first deposit. Can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. I just want to help you reach financial freedom. That's why I don't charge for my signals. However, I do make a small commission when you trade on BTCC. And yeah, so last week results, juicy 18 wins and 1 loss. Right now we're in a Gala trade. We've been doing really well. We did take these 2 losses. But the rest of the week we've been doing really, really well. Trading Matic, ADA, Trading BTC, yeah, sold, took a small loss, and then right now we're trading Gala, so just hit our TP2, pushing up to our TP3. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at. You can have free access with a sign up and deposit to Bitfinex. If you don't want to go that route, sign up to the Patreon link. It's $10 a month. My daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups for crypto. I also do 50x snipers, 50x leverage. Last week we had 5 wins, 0 losses. Crypto news, members like to post their profits, also Forex signals. Yeah, so all links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.